Good morning, friends. Now we are solving another numerical using Buckingham's pi theorem method in module number 4 of the subject fluid mechanics. So the problem statement is like this. The frictional torque T of a disk of diameter rotating at a speed n. So the diameter is d and the speed is given as n in a fluid. So the disk is rotating in a fluid of viscosity mu and density rho, and it is said that the flow is turbulent. So the frictional torque T is given by the equation. So the expression is given and it is asked to prove. We need to prove that the frictional torque T of the disk rotating in a turbulent flow of the fluid is this using the method of dimensions. It is given that, so from this final equation given, I can write T, the frictional torque, as the function of. So it is said that it is depending on the disk diameter, capital D, and the speed of the shaft, so that is capital N. So and viscosity of the fluid in which the disk is rotating, mu, and density rho. So function of these 5 variables T, D, N, mu, rho is equal to 0. So number of variables used is 5. So dimensions of the variables for individual term. So torque, so twisting moment. So it is nothing but force into distance. So the expression is for force is ml t to the power of minus 2 into distance L. So it becomes ml square t to the power of minus 2. So then diameter, so that is nothing but length L. So then n, rotations per minute, it is rotations having no units per minute. So it is by T, 1 over T. So that is T to the power of minus 1. Mu, so that is viscosity. So that is having the dimensions m L to the power of minus 1, T to the power of minus 1. Then density rho is m L to the power of minus 3. Number of fundamental dimensions are L, m and T. So m is equal to 3 primary dimensions. So number of pi terms to be used in the problem is n minus m. Number of variables n and number of fundamental dimensions used m. So 5 minus 3, so that is 2. So there will be only 2 pi terms in the problem. So hence function of pi 1 comma pi 2 is equal to 0. Each pi term will contain m plus 1 variables. So that is 3 plus 1. So that is 4 variables. Out of these 4, 3 variables are taken as repeating variables. Select the repeating variables to represent the geometric property, flow property, and the fluid property. So here D, diameter, represents the geometric dimension here. So density, so that is the fluid property. N, number of rotations of the disk. So that is indicating the flow property. So D, N and rho will be used as repeating variables. They get repeated in both the pi terms, pi 1, pi 2. So the other terms are left, T and mu. They will be written 1 each in both these pi 1 and pi 2 terms. Now pi 1 term, so that is substituting the dimensions on both sides. So we don't have L, M and T on left hand side of pi 1 term. So they are having the powers 0. L to the power of A, M to the power of B, T to the power of C. So they have zeros, the powers. So now here on the right hand side, diameter is written as length L. So to the power of A1. Now n, it is having the power, so that is t to the power of minus 1. Here the dimensions of the variables are written here. Just we are writing the dimensions of dn and rho, then the torque, so its dimension also expressed here. So ml to the power of minus 2, t to the power of minus 2. Now equating the powers of L, M and T on both sides of the equation. So power of L on left hand side 0, power of L on the right hand side. It is L to the power of A1 into L to the power of minus 3 C1, L to the power of minus 2. Taking the summation of powers of L on right hand side, we have this. Similarly for M and T, solving the equation, so we get A1, B1, C1. So substituting A1, B1, C1 in the pi 1 term. So we are getting this equation for pi 1. Similarly, go to pi 2 term. So pi 2 term. So substituting the power of L, M and T on left hand side, it will be 0. We don't have L, M and T in pi 2 term on the left hand side. Then substituting dimensions of this dn, rho and mu with the powers A2, B2, C2. And we have mu, for which the power is 1. So now taking the powers of L, M and T on both sides of the equation and solving here. So we get A2, B2, C2 as we did in the pi 1 term. Substituting in pi 2 the values of A2, B2, C2. So pi 2 is having this dn, rho and mu with the powers A2, B2, C2 like this. Substituting A2, B2, C2 obtained in pi 2 term. So we are getting pi 2 here. Now function of pi 1 comma pi 2 is 0. So substituting pi 1 and pi 2 in this function, we get, so t is the function of, so phi here represents the function of, so this. So this is what it is given here. So the same expression we are getting finally. So it is proved. The given equation is proved here. Thank you, friends.